Eh, Franco kasi whole day na siya. Morning, whole day siya. Si Victoria siya kasi Jolo, afternoon sila. So, ayan. Ito, isi-save ko tong isa. Bukas. So, tapos na talaga ako, guys. Ayan, so tapos na ako guys. Itatapos ko na to ha. Kunti na lang ano to. So I'm gonna be ending my live now. So hindi ko na ubos yung papaya ko guys, okay? Alala, pinapawisan ako. Okay, this is my papaya and this is my... Kao na diya, ma'am! Day off ko po. Okay po, God bless. Okay. Oo, kasi nga, alam mo, Solidad, hindi ko namalaya na ano pala, na Sunday pala ngayon. Hindi ko namalaya niya. Hello, Sir Ramdil Sir, magsa-sign off na ko ngayon. I-formal ko muna yan. Kasi mukhaon ako, alas 7:30 na, my God. Okay? Ipaningot na ko din si Ram. Actually, karjo din naman to lang. Kung trabaho sa balay, karjo din naman to ha. Paningtan mapugo. Dili mangog ako, dili man ko sila raman yun nag-gym. Ako na lang magkuhan kay, dili pwede nga mahago punta no kay, na, bako lang atong heart ya day. Okay? So, ayan. So, ayan, guys. So, mag-i-end na po tayo, okay? So, ayan po, magko-closing remarks na po tayo. So, hello everyone, to all of you who watch this live today. Ano ba ngayon? July 7? July 7 ngayon sa Ram, no? So, July 7, 2024, you are watching me live from Davao City. This is Daphne here. And you're watching YouTube at Daphne and Victoria 777. I would like to say thank you to all my viewers over here and to all of you who interact with me. Especially to my friend, Sir Ramdil Nasser of LA and Solidad from Olongapo, and to my BFF. Bernadette Alconten as always, and to Sir Badakal Pramod, he was here, and Cassandra Jui Alconten, thank you so much, and so Solidad, thank you sir very much Ma'am Solidad for staying here talaga sa akong live today, okay? As much as possible talaga, I'm gonna be doing live every day this month. Yun talaga ang pinaka-goal ko. Pero pag hindi ko na talaga kaya, talagang parang heavy talaga yung ano ko, so hindi muna ako magla-live, magagawa ako ng short, but as much as possible, gagawa ako ng one live each day this month, okay? And also to Resby official of Pakistan, thank you so much for being here, Resby. And Aaron, oh my God, Aaron, thank you so much, Sir Aaron. Oh, no, I cannot say Aaron because Aaron is only 11 years old. Excuse me. And to Mom Artie, thank you so much. And to Pat Paulsin. O, si Pat Paulsin, ilagay ko muna siya ng yan, nilagyan ko na pala siya ng moderator. So yan, si Ma'am Solidad, thank you sir, thank you very much Ma'am Solidad of Bolinga po. Thank you so much for staying long in this live. To Ma'am Ram na naman, Sir Ram Del Nasser, thank you so much. And to Sir Padakal Pramod and Carlo J. Serdinia Puloy, thank you so much. And ayan, dyan na ba tayo? So yun po mga viewers natin, and also to Sander sa Myra Ken. Thank you so much for being here in my live. Sa kayo po, na lahat mo ng mention ko. Thank you so much very much, okay? I hope you guys, to all my future viewers who happen to watch this live right now, I wish that if you happen to watch this live in my live right now in the future, please don't forget to click subscribe for me as your way of supporting my channel. And don't forget also to like the video that you are watching. Alright, this is Daphne at Victoria 7777 signing off from Davao, Philippines. Alright guys, thank you very much. Bye everyone. Bye Dave. Bye sir. Bye sir Ram Del Nasser. Yes sir Ram. Mukhaon ako sa kong top Ram. Okay, kay lamig kayo ang open niya.